Hey class, this is Professor Decker. I'd just like to walk you through how you upload a resource or your image that you've taken of your identity artifact to the Smithsonian Learning Lab. So once you've logged in, you're going to go to the upper right hand corner and select the sun. When that opens, you'll come to this menu, and I recommend going into uploaded resources. I think that might be the simplest thing you can do. If you go into uploaded resources, we're looking at mine, so you'll see that I have resources already uploaded. You'll probably have 0 resources uploaded, but you can add a resource. You'll click that plus sign there. You're going to type in the name of your resource, and then here's where I'd like you to write your 200 to 300 word description of your identity artifact. So I want you to think about this as your diagnostic writing for the semester. Show me what you know about writing in the English language. What are some of the sentence types that you're familiar with? And speak to why this identity artifact is meaningful to you. You're going to upload a file, so don't worry about the URL. You're going to click I want to upload a file. Here you'll select your image that you've uploaded to either your desktop or maybe you have it on a flash drive, you've saved it, and then you're going to provide your resource citation. You created the item because you're simply uploading a photo, so I want you to select yes, and this is going to identify your name, the fact that you're an individual, and then it's going to be referenced, and then you'll submit your source. The next piece of this puzzle is simply sharing it with me. So I'm going to show you an example. You'll have an opportunity to do this with your own work, but I'm going to take you back to my own. And here, when you go into uploaded resources and you'll see your resource, all you need to do now is select share, and then you will, you'll drag down and you'll select copy link, and that's what you'll ultimately copy and paste and then share with me in an email. Let's say you uploaded this resource and you had a minor issue with it. You can also decide to edit it. So if you click into it like I'm doing right now, I'll have the option to edit it here. I could delete it if I want to and start the whole process over. So I want you to be aware that there are more opportunities for you to fix things up if there's a snag in the submission process. In the meantime, if you have any questions or concerns, just direct them to me. Good luck.